Uh-oh.
There you go. You're recording. Watch out for that hand here. This hand. Yeah. Okay.
I can't even see anything. The sun's too bright, so I don't know what I'm recording. Well, they're on the tractor, and they've gone way over there. They'll be back. But she's getting a big kick out of driving the tractor. I hope they don't come back and hit me. Uh-oh.
Hi.
I can't see anything, but hi.
That's cool. So Waggles had a little drive. I'm going to go and put this in the shed. Waggle, you want to come with me to put
She's
it
a true country girl driving her tractor.
Look at Mummy and say this. Loud. Louder. Shout. Shout. Right, Waggle, turn the key. Go. Stop the tractor. Twist it harder. No, not like that.
Whoa! Okay. Bye-bye.
Oh, stop recording video.